Hello everyone, this is not the usual video. I'm just to say there won't be a normal video today. I'm getting over what I can only describe as quite a severe case of the flu. Reminds me of all that fun time we had way back in 2020. Well, I've got a new laptop and I'm planning that'll also delay next video coming out, and I'm hoping to maybe make write or record a review for this laptop, and if it's recommend to you, or as you know, there's an issue with RAM at the moment in SSD storage because of the issue with AI and the prices going through the roof and all that. And I was wondering if you'd be interested in me making a video about it, even just a review of the laptop and any recommendations. If I want to make a recommendation, you should get it or that. Probably not going to bother with shorts. Maybe I will make a short, but I'm looking to do more long form videos again, because quite clearly that's what seems to be, for me personally, for this channel, seems to benefit me with the algorithm recently in the last 6 months to a year. So I'm just going to keep doing that. And I've got to be careful with my voice and try to regain my voice for the recording. So glad I didn't cough so far. So that's good. It's another Asus laptop that I've got. I keep wondering if I'm pronouncing it right. I'll need Asus or Asus. I can't remember. My head's still sore, but I'll do all the research. I keep having difficulties with the name of that, but anyway, doesn't matter. Hopefully, hopefully I can get things speeded up for you. It's been yeah. That's all I've got to say. Hopefully I'll see a new video in a couple of days. Shouldn't be too long, but I need to set the new computer up, and I need another half day of recovery. Hopefully see you soon. You take care of yourself. See you soon.